guys, welcome back to my channel. And today is I'm gonna do unboxing of this Samsung Galaxy Pro earbuds. Actually this one is free from my iPad Samsung Tab S7 FE. Kumuha ako sa Singtel, StarHub for line phone. But I didn't get a phone, so I still have a phone, and I got the tab instead. So it's a promotion, so meron silang free na. It's the latest earbuds from Samsung. So, it's been 2 months ngayon ko lang siya ma-unbox kasi busy, you know na. And so, now I have the time. So, I have to stay at home. Yeah, nagkasakit. So, I have the time to do the unboxing with this one. Actually, I have a lot of earbuds. Like, kahit gaano akong kahit may mga iba't iba akong earbuds, but I'm still using the wire one. I don't know, siguro nakasanayan. I'm still using the Samsung na yung may wire and hook. Hi! Okay, but let us see how this, if it is good. It's so this is how it looks like. Wait a sec. So yeah, I need a knife. I mean knife. Gunting pala. Scissors. Haha. Cut this open. Yep. You all know I'm not an Apple fan, so I'm a friendly user. Samsung, it's a friendly user when it comes to phone. So let's see how this goes. It's already open. So let's see. I like the color. So this is the manual, and then here, oh, it's very cute. Let's see. This is the charger. What is this thing? It's a Type-C. Charger na Type-C. So what is this thing? Okay. Yung rubber na ilalagay dito sa ano, depends on the size of your ear. So that's it. So here's the manual. Yeah, quick start guide. This says English, paano i-charge, paano gamitin. So here yung pag-charge so it's very cute actually. It's small and I like the color. Ta-da! Ooh! It's very nice, but I think it looks big. I don't know, big on my ear. Nagre-red na siya. It say needs to charge kasi it's like more than 2 months na siyang hindi na open. Ngayon ko lang siya na open actually. So it goes. Liit siya sa button. May mga button siya dyan. Maybe it's a speaker something. Speaker is here. LR. So this is the right one, right thing, right left. So pag nilagay siya, oh okay. So that's it. Oh, okay. It's very light. Para lang nilagay na pag nasa plane yung earbuds. So that's how it looks. I think I might like it. Tamang-tama lang siya sa ear ko. It's a very lightweight. Maybe I can use it when I'm doing yoga or like. Kasi meron akong isang ganito, like Bosch. Masyado siyang malaki sa ear ko, kaya naglalagay ako ng another extra like this that will fit my ear. But when I'm doing exercise, natatanggal siya. So bumili ako ng may wire yung nalalagay sa likod para hindi siya mahulog. And then I have this one, I forgot the name, yung isasabit lang dito sa my ear. That's the one I'm using now kasi nakasabit sa ear. I can do anything. I can do exercise while listening to music, and then hindi siya nahuhulog. So that's my favorite earbuds for the moment. So I think this one is nice too. Yeah, this is the latest. I mean when I'm going out, so hindi ko nagagamitin yung may wire. I'm still in an old earphone yung may wire na mahaba. Okay, this is it. So that's my unboxing, guys. So with this color, this is for right and left. Pag ito, yan, and then this is left. It's very nice color. It's shiny. It's red. I need to charge this part before I will try. So it's charging. It's still clean. Pwede lang siyang ibulsa. So hindi siya bulky. Pwede lagay sa pocket or everything, but surely this one easily get lost. You know me. So yeah, I'm gonna try this new Samsung. I have new toy Samsung earbuds. Okay, so that's it for today's vlog, guys. Hope you'll enjoy and like and subscribe. Click the button para updated po kayo para sa mga upcoming videos ko. Golden Hash Brown. And see you next time again on my next vlog. Next vlog is more yoga thing. Area, maybe. What do you want, guys? Any suggestion in like? Oh, I have a upcoming unboxing for my birthday. March is coming, so yeah, that's it. Hope you'll enjoy. Bye.